PPF film and Windows tint application. PPF film application. PPF, paint protection film, is a durable automotive protective film that resists scratches, prevents paint oxidation, and offers self-healing for minor blemishes. Load PPF material. Release the middle pinch rollers and use only the side pinch rollers for material feed. Cutting PPF sample. The process is completed. Windows tint application. Car window tint film blocks solar heat, infrared, and UV rays, improving in-car comfort, reducing interior temperature, and minimizing UV exposure. Load window tint material. Release the middle pinch rollers and use only the side pinch rollers for material feeding. Cutting window tint sample. The process is completed.